Irish.
Irish.
Can you look at Megan?
Yay! Spin!
Yahoo!
Are you ready?
Woo!
Yay! You gonna do it again?
Do it again. Got it figured out. Just in that short time how to
Get on it.
Ready?
Say hi, Chris.
Can you say hi, Chris?
Chris.
Say hi, Chris.
Chris sitting over there.
Let's put you over here.
Spider friend.
Come here.
Can you say hi, Chris? Say
You say
Chris.
Chris. He doesn't really respond to the camera.
Can you say Chris?
Here we go. Spin it.
Time to swing into action. Here we
Whoa! Get in.
Can you dance?
That was so much fun.
Yeah!
Yeah.
That was fun. Here we go. Push it again.
Hey, spider friend. Let's go for a spin. Here we go. Woo!
Woo!
This is fun.
Are you trying to get on it?
He sees his reflection.
Whoa!
You want to spin?
Whoa!
Night night, puppies.
Now stand up and dance to the song.
Say night night, puppies. Can you say Chris? Yeah. Say Chris. Say Maggie. Say Maggie. Say it again. Maggie.
Can you say basketball?
There's Mommy. Do you see Mommy? Who's that?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Who's that? Now look. Who's that? Who's that?
Can you say something?
Gannon.
And Gannon, gentle.
Can you say Maggie? Maggie. And you say Grampy?
Baby.
You say Graham? Can you say Diddy?
Baby.
Can you say Irish?
Irish.
Can you say Sarah?
Yeah.
Lucy?
No, Lucy. I mean,
Lucy cooked growling.
Turn it off.
Hey.
Can you say night night?
Mama.
Can you give everybody some hugs and
Can you say
kisses?
basketball? Gannon.
He's got to say basketball for Chris.
Gannon. Can you say basketball? Basketball. Can you say basketball?